Okay, so what's going on, people? Welcome back. Okay, so in this video I'll teach you about how do you use Netstat. So Netstat is basically used to display the network related information, such as what network connection and router tables and interface what statistics, like that, and many more. Like, how do you use this Netstat? So if you press enter, it will display all the network status, like what and all the network is running and which is not running. And you can see there is many, like I can just scroll it up. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, it starts from here. So it will show the network status. So active internet connection, it will show the active internet connection where this particular system which I'm using is a virtual box which is connected to the internet. So this many what network, this many connections are currently going on. Okay, let me do clear. Okay, the next thing that I need to show in that, when using Netstat, you can also specify TULN. So T will stands for the TCP, and U will stands for the UDP, and A will stands for the all, but I am not using all. I'm using LN. Okay, if I press enter, it will not display anything, because what L is nothing but which will stands for what listening ports, like that. You can also apart from this, you can also do netstat and TULN, and you can do a pipe, and you can do grep and listen. So since there is nothing listening to my system, so it is not printing anything. Okay, and also netstat TULN. Yeah, there is nothing listening to my system. Let's say you need to display the routing tables. You can also display the routing table using -r, display the routing tables, but there is no routing table, so it is not displaying. Net stat, yeah, correct, it is working. I thought it's not working. Okay, if you need to display the routing table, you need to use -r argument. Let's say you need to display the statistics, net stat and -r, say -i, so for statistics. It will display the statistics of interfaces statistics, as I showed you in the last video. I showed you using ifconfig. Then this is the interface, these two are the interface which my system is running. Okay, so if you need to display that particular interface statistics, then kernel interface table, okay, that will display the interface statistics. Okay, let's say you need to display the need to display the network statistics, so you need to use -s. So this will display the network statistics. Okay, so see, it will display the network statistics for total packets received, one packet, invalid address, ICMP package and TCP packets, and UDP packets. We did not receive anything. And like you can see, TCP, it has received two active connection opens. There is two active connection opens. Okay, you can also display the PID and the program names using netstat and TULNP, which will display but not be shown. Okay, you need to use root, that will be sudo command. Active internet connection only servers, so there is no PID and program names which is running, so it is not displaying anything. If you need to display the Unix domain sockets, you need to use -x, that will display all the Unix sockets which is running. Or else, if you need to use kernel interface table, you can use capital letter K, that will print the kernel interface table. See, it is printing the kernel interface table. Okay, let's say you need to show the routing table in CIDR format. You can also use netstat and C and R, which will display the it will show the routing table in CIDR format. Okay, just cut it. It is not showing. It is showing in format, but there is no data which is present inside that. Okay, let's display the multicast group information. For that you need to use -g, that will display the multicast group information. If you need to display the multicast, then you need to use -g. Okay, let's do one more thing, that will be netstat. And if you need to display the information for a specific protocol, if you need to display for ICMP, then you need to specify -a, then it will display ICMP, but unknown address, there is no ICMP packets, I guess, so it is not displaying ICMP. Let's say IP, IP works. Let's say IGMP, there is no IGMP packets. Let's say TCP, I guess TCP is there. No, there is no TCP packet. Let's say UDP. I guess only IP address packets are only there. So UDP packets are only there, I mean. Okay, you can explore this using man and netstat also. So there is many arguments that you can use with netstat. You can also check netstat version, that will show the version 2.10.alpha. Then it will show many informations. I don't know what is this. Okay, so this is all up, guys, and I guess I slowed up. I guess I was doing so fast, I guess. Okay, sorry for that, and thank you for watching, and bye.